Hi guys, assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to another video. It's your sister Zainab if you're new here. So in today's video we're going to be making this delicious Turkish bread. For those watching my channel, my videos must be like, I already watched this video. Yes guys, I'm repeating the same video. I had copyright because I was playing music on the first one, and this time I won't be playing any music. I'm gonna be explaining you guys what I'm doing here, and hope you guys enjoy the video. And let's get started. So in the bowl, as you can see, I add half cup of milk, half cup of water. It's warm water and warm milk as well. I add yeast, dry yeast. Now I'm adding some salt. Next, I'm gonna add this sugar. It's a 1 tablespoon of sugar. Mix that up. Excuse my voice, guys. I have flu. That's why I'm like, so next thing, I'm gonna add 2 cups of flour. And then I'm going to mix it until everything comes together. After, I'm gonna go with my hand and knead the dough a little bit. And that's it. So now I'm going to cover the dough with this plastic wrap and let it rest for about 30 minutes or 1 hour if you have more time. Okay guys, it's after 30 minutes. Now I'm gonna remove the dough from the bowl. We need to knead again a little bit. So since the dough is very sticky, I'm dipping my fingertips in the oil to prevent that stickiness, and then I'm going to remove the dough from the bowl. I'm going to dust up the working surface where I'm going to knead the dough with the dry flour and knead for just few minutes. Okay guys, so now we're going to divide the dough in 2 equal parts, and then we're going to shape it in 2 beautiful round balls. Next, just cover the dough and leave it for about 5 to 10 minutes. Okay guys, it's after 5 minutes already. Now a small tip here: if you are making this in quantity, you have to keep the rest of the dough covered in the bowl with a plastic wrap. Okay guys, so in this pan I just add some oil, and I'm going to place my dough and yeah, flatten the way I'm doing, as you can see guys, and then I'm going to cover again and let it rest for a few minutes. "20 minutes later, this is how the dough looks like. So now I'm going to remove that and make some pattern. Done. Now I'm going to make egg wash. So this is one egg. I'm adding some milk. I'm going to beat the egg and then brush on top of my naan to give that beautiful shining look after baking. So after applying this egg wash, I'm gonna go ahead and put some sesame seeds and black seed. So this it was a kalwanshi, something like that. I'm not sure what is that black seed name, but yeah, it's optional, guys. It's optional. You can add this if you want, and if you don't have, it's not a problem. You can just bake your naan like that. Okay, so after 25 minutes, voila, this is how it looks like. This is how it turned out. It's so beautiful, as you guys can see, and the smell was so crazily nice. So yeah, guys, hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. If you did like, don't forget to give your sister a mess thumbs up, share with family and friends. I'll see you guys in the next video. Allah Hafiz. Bye, guys.